have one question at a time. Okay, no fighting.
Bye.
I can't see. There, see that. Mahesh, she say hi.
साइड हो जाओ अभी।
अब आप लोग थोड़ा चिल्लाना बंद कीजिए प्लीज। आप थोड़ा वन एट अ टाइम चिल्लाना थोड़ा बंद कीजिए।
What's the association or what's the common thing between chocolate and Rafa? Is there any connection?
It's सायरा यार। सायरा जो है वो चॉकलेट शॉप में एक चॉकलेट शॉप चलाती है, चॉकलेट्स बनाती है एंड इन फैक्ट शिव और सायरा पहली बार उसकी चॉकलेट शॉप में मिलते हैं, तो ऑफ कोर्स दैट इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट एंड बिकॉज आई वॉज प्लेइंग समवन हु मेक्स चॉकलेट्स एंड हम थोड़ा बहुत दिखा रहे हैं सायरा को चॉकलेट बनाते हुए, तो इट वॉज इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर मी टू डू इट लाइक अ प्रो। एक और सीन है जिसमें आपने एक मोन्टाज देखा होगा जिसमें सुशांत और मैं दोनों चॉकलेट लेकर कर रहे हैं, वो किसी को समझ में नहीं आया होगा है क्या, बट दैट वाज टेम्परिंग एंड मैं टेम्परिंग कर रही होती हूँ और ही जस्ट जॉइन्स मी इन इट। So there were these two scenes which were a part of the
What I would make out of that is she was my student and he became her student, I think. Learning how to
No,
temper.
he was only concentrating on chocolate, that's all.
Okay, I'm not on you?
I think when chocolate was there, probably not on me also.
Okay. So no, but you know, I think you need to understand that even though it's the shop, she actually went through the training to make it look natural, and you know, she needed to play the part really well. So लगे हाथों सीख भी लिया।
Chocolate is an aphrodisiac. So was it like an added?
Sorry?
It's also kind of like an
Aphrodisiac.
Aphrodisiac. So was it an added advantage you to get a chemistry on board for the film or something like that? Did you feel that?
I don't think it kind of added to the chemistry. I think we didn't need the chocolate to add to the chemistry.
I like that.
But yeah, it's something, as I said, it's a very important scene. Where he comes to the chocolate shop, so it's always nice to sort of establish you know, the characters with their professions as well. Especially chocolate making is something she sort of finds her peace in. You know, it makes her happy. She starts her day with it. When she's going back, you know, we made sure कि जो scenes थे जिसमें मैं अपनी chocolate shop बंद करके जा रही हूँ, I had boxes. So normally आप chocolate बनाते हो तो जो chocolate बच जाती है आप उनको लेके जाते हो, and you sometimes depending on the chocolate you can remelt it, you can you know, turn it into another kind of chocolate, you can refrigerate it and stuff. So we did pay attention to all those small details.
And how big a chocolate fan are you?
I love chocolates. I love desserts in general, but chocolates, anything to do with chocolates, I used to love. I think probably that was one of the main attractions for me for this class, that I would get to eat a lot of chocolates.
And while shooting, did Sushant put his hand on the chocolate because we see him in a very fit avatar in the film and normally also.
Oh, he loves desserts more than anybody else. Like I think if he ever is a little low, all you need to do is give ice cream or chocolates to him, and he gets happy.
But I think chocolate is good. In fact, it's a good antioxidant. And if you realize, and if you'll see the movie, you'll see that they have actually done a lot of vigorous training. So वो balance out हो जाता है ना अगर थोड़ा chocolate ले लिया तो.
Oh, he works out a lot, but he loves desserts.
This Friday Wonder Woman is releasing in Hollywood. So I would like to know who is the Wonder Woman in your life?
I guess my mom, I would have to say, because she's someone, मुझे याद है, you know, she's someone who's, she used to continue studying, you know, when I was born she was doing her PhD, and she managed to do her PhD with, you know, having a child and taking care of the child as well. She is one of, I think the first person in her family who sort of went for a job. उस टाइम पे उस ज़माने में होता था कि लड़कियां क्या करेंगी जॉब करके, क्या करना है इतना पढ़ के, बट शी डिड इट बिकॉज शी वांटेड टू, एंड आई थिंक शी इज़ समवन हु रियली इंस्पायर्स मी इन एवरी वे। आई रिमेंबर कभी कभी मैं लेट हो जाती थी अगर स्कूल के लिए और मेरा एग्ज़ाम है, तो मेरी मॉम कार चलाकर मुझे छोड़ने जाती थी और मुझे टाइम पे पहुंचा देती थी कुछ भी करके। सो आई यूज्ड टू टेल हर दैट यू आर अ सुपर वुमन, हाउ डू यू डू दिस, एंड आई थिंक शी इज़ वन।
If we talk about the promotion, how is it going? Because every day we see an update from your end, either you are in Ahmedabad or in Pune or somewhere else. How's the promotion going?
It's going good. It's obviously now it's 9 days for Rabta, I think. 9 or 10? 9 days.
And today is going very chocolatey, I think.
Yeah. So it's going very well. We're trying to sort of reach out to as many people and just connect with them, have fun with them, talk to them about the film, make them aware of what the film is actually about. And I'm really happy that the songs are doing really well. I'm really happy that songs Ik Wariya, Rabta, all of them are doing so well, and they're connecting with the audience. I keep seeing a lot of updates in even like Insta stories of people I follow in clubs where the songs are playing in clubs as well. So that keeps us excited.
During Rabta promotions, you also see the other side of Sushant. You have seen his inability to control tempo. Do you think an actor?
Oh, I thought the side that that we put up yesterday.
No.
Did you see the video that we put up yesterday?
No, I was talking about the.
You must see that
interactions.
video.
No, what I was trying to ask is he's often he's unable to control his tempo, and during the events too often. Do you think an actor who is often considered as a role model should not display his erratic behavior in public?
It's very strange because I firstly I've known him through the filming process when Dhoni had not released. I saw him when Dhoni was releasing and I saw him post Dhoni, and for me he's been the same person. I think it's unfortunate that things have been taken in a wrong way at the two events that you're talking about. One of them, I think, purely just saying the fact that you don't know about something is not putting off anger. It's just saying and being confident about the fact that, okay, I'm aware of the fact that I don't know fully about this topic and I'm confident enough to say it, which is absolutely fine. I don't know what went wrong at that event. I think things were taken in a very wrong way, in a different way. Sorry?
His body language.
No, but nobody can see the body language of the person who's talking at the other end, no? And the fact is that we have a mic. So if the other person is talking to us in a particular tone and you talk in that same manner on a mic, it sounds different. So it's very unfortunate that it's been taken in a wrong way, I feel. I know him as a person and he's not like that. He's not short-tempered at all. And in fact the other event तो कुछ हुआ ही नहीं था. I don't know why उसने post भी डाला था एक expression जो कहीं और से morph किया गया था. So I don't know why people do this, that they actually make the effort of going to another event's expression, copying that and pasting it on another event's expression. It's bizarre. Like I really feel, and उस time पे I know that again we were talking to a journalist with a lot of noise and he was far away. So when you tend to talk to a person who's far away without a mic there in a public environment, you tend to increase your volume, which sounds like aggression. So I really feel that it's not like that, and I hope people see it also like this.
Ankriti, you have a food connect. Next film is Bareli Ki Barfi.
I have a sweet connect probably.
Yeah. Barfi? Now you want to run Barfi?
No, I'm not making Barfi. Don't get excited.
How's the film going?
पूरा कंप्लीट हो चुका है. इनफैक्ट आई हैव स्टार्टेड डबिंग. मुझे राबता की प्रमोशन से टाइम नहीं मिल रहा है ज़्यादा डब करने का, और आप लोगों से बात कर करके आवाज़ की बैंड बज जाती है, तो वैसे भी डबिंग हो नहीं पाती है. बट फिल्मिंग पूरी कंप्लीट हो चुकी है. इनफैक्ट हमने गाने भी शूट कर लिए हैं और बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा है. बहुत अलग दिख रही है फिल्म बाकी फिल्म से जो मैंने की है. So that's again something I'm very excited about. I would love the audience to see me as a UP girl for the first time.
And there's also news that you are in the race for Baghi 2, where Disha is also the lead contender. So
I am not aware of the race. Yeah, I have not been approached, so I don't know anything about it. As much as I would love to work with Tiger again, I've done my first film with